Did you know you can get a free government phone in the USA? Yes, you heard right. The United States government offers free phones to eligible citizens. This program, aimed at ensuring everyone can stay connected, is a lifeline for many. Today, we'll guide you through the process of obtaining one of these free government phones. Whether you're a low-income individual or part of a program like Medicaid or SNAP, you could qualify. Getting a free government phone is easier than you might think. Let's dive into the process. Scene script. First things first, are you eligible for a free government phone? To qualify for this program, you must meet certain criteria. The two key eligibility factors are income level and participation in specific government programs. If your household income is at or below 135% of the federal poverty guidelines, you're eligible. These guidelines vary by state and the number of individuals in your household, so be sure to check the specifics for your area. Alternatively, you might qualify if you participate in a government assistance program. These include, but are not limited to, Medicaid, the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, the Federal Public Housing Assistance, or Veterans Pension and Survivors Benefits. It's also worth mentioning that each household is limited to one Lifeline service, which means you can either get a free government phone or a discount on your phone or internet service, but not both. If you meet these criteria, you're on your way to getting a free government phone. So, you've determined you're eligible. What's next? The first step to obtaining your free government phone is to locate a service provider in your area. There are many providers, such as Assurance Wireless, SafeLink Wireless, and N-Touch Wireless, to name a few. You can find a comprehensive list of providers on the Lifeline support website, so take some time to research and choose one that best suits your needs. Once you've chosen a provider, the next step is to apply. This process can usually be done online, over the phone, or by mail. Remember, applications are generally processed on a first-come, first-served basis, so it's best to apply as soon as possible. The application process requires you to provide some documentation. This includes proof of income or participation in a qualifying program, and proof of identity. If you're applying online, you can usually upload scanned copies of these documents. If you're applying by mail, make sure to send copies, not original documents. After you've submitted your application and necessary documentation, the service provider will review your application. If everything is in order, they will approve your application, and your free government phone will be mailed to you. It's important to note that each service provider has different processing times, so be patient. Once you've completed these steps, you're all set. Your free government phone should be on its way. Let's quickly recap the steps for getting your free government phone. First, ensure you meet the eligibility criteria based on income or participation in federal assistance programs. Next, find a service provider in your state and apply through them. Submit all necessary documents for verification and wait for approval. Once approved, you'll receive your free government phone. With these steps, you're well on your way to receiving your free government phone. Remember, it's your right to access the service if you're eligible.